Today, I'm going to show you guys how to make my famous creamy Cajun chicken pasta. It's so delicious, takes no time. So let's dive in. We're going to get started by patting the chicken dry, remove any moisture. We're going to place the saran wrap right on top, just like this. Now I'm going to grab my meat tenderizer to tenderize this chicken breast to make it nice and flat. Now this is going to help the chicken cook faster and of course, cook even by doing that. Once you have your meat nice and flat, you're going to drizzle your olive oil. Going to drizzle the oil on both sides, rub it in, flip it over. Now we're going to drizzle some more oil, just like this, rub it in. Now we're ready to season. These are the seasoning we'll be using: onion powder, garlic powder, Cajun seasoning, Old Bay seasoning, some dry parsley, and paprika. So we're going to mix that together, and then we're going to generously sprinkle the seasoning onto our chicken. Just sprinkle it all over your chicken. Give it a nice rub, just like this. Just like this. Flip it over, then season some more. We're going to let the chicken marinate on the side while we boil the pasta. I have the pasta water already boiling. I am going to season it with some chicken bouillon and some salt, okay, just to add some extra flavor to this. And now I'm going to add my pasta. I'm using penne pasta. However, you can use linguine or any other pasta that you like. Always give it a stir. Once you're done stirring it, you're going to cover it, allow it to boil for about 7 to 10 minutes. Our pasta is nice and al dente, nice and tender. Now I'm going to remove it, set it aside. I will drain out the hot water so it doesn't continue to cook. Now we're going to pan sear the chicken breast. I am going to drizzle some olive oil. Now this should be enough, about 5 tablespoons of olive oil. And then we're going to place the chicken breast in there. This one is pretty large. We're going to do it one at a time. Allow this to pan sear for about 3 minutes per side. You don't want to overcook. Now it's time to flip over the chicken. It's looking so good, just how I like it. Just allow the other side to cook maybe for about 2 minutes, then we should be able to remove it. All right, guys, the chicken is nice and ready. It smells so good. Oh my God, look at that. Ooh-wee, that is some well-seasoned chicken, okay? Now I'm going to cook the other chicken breast. It's pretty much the same. We're going to cook this one though for about 2 minutes per side because it's thinner than the other one. Time to remove our chicken. Look at it. It looks so juicy. We're going to place it here. Ooh, you see the juice? We're going to set the chicken aside. Now we're going to add in about 1 tablespoon of butter. And then I'm going to add in onions, just a little bit. We also have some chopped bell pepper. Now this is where a lot of people had questioned, was the tomato. The tomato will add a very unique flavor to this pasta. Just make sure you cook the tomato. Now I do have some garlic that I'm going to add in, just not yet because I want to saute the veggies first. Now we are going to add about 1 tablespoon of garlic. Going to fry that until fragrance. Now we're going to pour in the heavy cream. This is a creamy Cajun chicken pasta. You got to have that heavy whipping cream in there. Now I am going to add a little bit of Parmesan cheese in here. Now we're not looking for cheesy, we just want it to be creamy. Of course you can add some mozzarella in here if you like it to be cheesy. Now you can add some salt and pepper, but be sure to taste it. Perfect. I'm going to add some pepper. Don't forget the chicken has lots and lots of seasoning that's going to be releasing to this sauce. So pepper for now. And also, I'm going to add a little bit of chicken bouillon base. Ooh, this is going to be so good. So delicious. This is about a teaspoon. Now, if you want to add some cream cheese, you definitely can. I don't have any at the moment, but give that a stir. Let it simmer for a little bit, and then you can add in your chicken and your pasta. I am going to dice up my chicken so I can add it to the pasta. This is juice right there. It's good. Pour it to your creamy sauce. Just pour it in there because this right there is flavor. Now we're going to cut the chicken. This one, we're going to place this on top of the pasta. So I'm going to cut it like this. Smells so good. I just want to take a bite. And now I'm going to cut this one, I'm going to dice it very small so I can add it into the sauce. Smells so good in here, I'm telling you. This recipe, there's a reason why it's so popular. It has over 3 million views and 200,000+ likes on my page right now. So I had to recreate it. There you go. Smells so good. Now we're going to take this and add it to our sauce. Just like that. Add it in there. Some delicious chicken. Now we're going to add in our pasta. So this sauce, OMG. This is the quickest, delicious pasta you'll ever make. It's so easy, so creamy. And as it sits, it's gonna get nice and thick, so don't let it simmer for too long, okay? This is perfect, actually. Now is the time you mix it together, allow it to simmer, taste it for salt. Keep in mind the chicken has salt. Like I said, that's when you can add salt if you need to. I'm going to add a little bit more Parmesan cheese. And you guys, this is your creamy Cajun chicken pasta. So delish, so yummy. All right, guys, it's time for the taste test. The food looking absolutely delicious. Let me just go ahead and try it. It's so creamy, smelling amazing. Let's give it a try. Cheers. Wow. This is so good. I'm sorry. This right here, this is restaurant quality, hands down. It's so delicious, so flavorful. The chicken, the creamy sauce. Oh my goodness, y'all gotta try this. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Hopefully you can try it for your family. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next recipe. Bye, guys.